Hello, I'm Emma and I'm on the training at the London School for Psychodrama, and I just really want to reach out to you today and give you a warm hug if I could, but just to share with you something that may help in this time, a very strange, uncertain time that I've learned about myself in the last week or so that might be helpful. No matter what you're feeling or going through is going to really help you. It's going to really help you because you're going to grow from that. You're going to become stronger. You're going to allow yourself to listen to your inner world. I just want to share with you something about my little boy that I'm constantly realise that I'm really rushing all the time, rushing through things. And I've got nowhere to be at the moment, as we all haven't got anywhere to be. And so I did some gardening, and normally I would rush him. Come on, get it done. But I thought, you know what? It's going to take 2 hours to fill up that bucket full of soil, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because we've got all day. So you take 2 hours. And as we were doing that, I got to really listen to myself and think, I rush too much and I'm not listening. And I hope that maybe you can stop, listen to yourself and give yourself some precious time to connect. I wish you well, stay safe,